Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Little Tikes Grillin Goodies is probably one of the most popular and engaging outdoor play kitchens for toddlers, designed to spark imaginative culinary adventures and provide hours of fun as little ones mimic the grown-ups' grilling experience, making it a fantastic addition to any backyard or play area for aspiring chefs. Number 5. Little Tikes First Oven. Introducing the Little Tikes First Oven, a realistic pretend play appliance designed for endless fun. It's perfect for little chefs to explore their culinary creativity. This interactive toy oven lets kids pretend to cook and bake just like the real thing. They can spend hours engaged in imaginative play, creating their own delicious meals. Experience realistic kitchen role-playing with authentic sounds like igniting burners, boiling water, sizzling, and ringing timers. The stovetop lights up, buttons work, and the oven light even turns on when the door opens. Pretending to prepare food and complete chores helps children develop a sense of responsibility. It's a wonderful way to foster their imagination and independence. This set comes complete with 11 realistic cooking accessories, including cookies, a cookie sheet, a fried egg, bacon, steak, a frying pan, spatula, and towel. Everything they need for a complete play kitchen experience. Designed to be compact, it's easy to set up and fits perfectly into smaller play areas. It's the ideal addition to any child's play kitchen, measuring 15.5 inch wide by 11.5 inch deep by 20.5 inch tall. This fun toy requires 3 AA batteries, which are included to get the fun started right away. It's suitable for children aged 24 months to 8 years. What we like? This toy oven offers a truly immersive pretend play experience with its realistic sounds and interactive features. If you are looking for a toy that encourages imagination and a sense of responsibility through role-playing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little ones who love to mimic adult activities in the kitchen. What people say. It has a sizzle sound and came with skillet, baking pan, fried egg, steak, and cookies. This has been through 4 children, and my children are feral. The oven door just recently broke with my youngest child. It's been stomped on so many times I'm surprised it's lasted so long. It makes all the sounds as she turns the dials on the gas stove top and while frying on the hot plate. The oven light turns on when the door is opened and all the accompanying toy food items e.g. bacon, eggs, steak and baked cookies are supplied. Number 4. Little Tikes Cook and Grow Barbecue Grill. Introducing the Little Tikes Cook and Grow Barbecue Grill, perfect for aspiring chefs. This grill brings the fun of outdoor cooking right into your home or backyard. It features dual grill, lid, sink, and side burners, just like a real gas grill. Your child can enjoy realistic grilling play with a starter button and clicking knobs. This versatile grill can be used indoors or taken outside for fun in the sun. It's designed for kids to grill just like mom and dad. Cleanup and storage are a breeze. Everything conveniently fits inside the grill base, making it easy to put away when playtime is over. This set comes with all the essentials for a pretend barbecue. It includes tongs, a spatula, a hamburger and bun, a hot dog and bun, and a ketchup bottle. Watch your child's imagination grow as they create their own delicious meals. It's the perfect way to encourage creative and social play. What we like? This grill set provides a fun, realistic grilling experience for kids, whether they're playing inside or outside. If you want a toy that encourages active play and allows children to emulate parents, this is ideal. Its compact storage makes it convenient for families with limited space. What people say. It came with everything a kid needs to grill up a fun play meal. Well made and designed for realistic play either on their own or as Daddy grills dinner. Seems like it will last to be outgrown. The burner knobs click when turned and the cabinet storage is much more than enough room for the accessories and other stuff. Number 3. Little Tikes Sizzle and Serve Grill Kitchen Playset. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing play grill. It's designed to spark creativity and imagination in your little ones. This grill is super easy to move around thanks to its built-in wheels. Take the grilling fun wherever you go. Lifting the lid is a breeze with its convenient handle. It's designed for little hands to open and close easily. It comes with over 12 fun accessories to enhance the grilling experience. So many ways to play and pretend. This play kitchen is the perfect size and provides hours of entertainment for toddlers. It's designed for their enjoyment and development. With its fun, modern styling, this grill is not only entertaining but also looks great. It encourages creative play in a stylish way. What we like. With its fun, modern design and included accessories, this play grill is built to spark creativity. If your child enjoys imaginative play and you're looking for a grill that's easy to move around, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for toddlers who are just starting to explore pretend play. What people say. It is plastic, so it could easily be kept outside next to the real grill Daddy uses. I like that it came with some food he can use right away on his grill, in addition to the play food he already had. It looks just like a mini Weber kettle grill. Number 2. Sushi Slicing Play Food Set. Embark on a culinary adventure with this exciting sushi play set. It's everything your child needs to open their very own pretend sushi restaurant at home. Watch in amazement as the toppings magically change color when touched by the LED torch. This realistic searing effect provides hours of captivating, pretend cooking fun. This set includes special training chopsticks to help little ones practice their grip and coordination. Assembling the sushi also enhances their hand-eye coordination and focus. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic with smooth edges, it's designed for safe and durable play. The detailed textures offer a rich sensory experience for your child. Looking for a unique gift? This set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just as a fun learning toy. We guarantee quality and safety for endless creative playtime. What we like. This sushi set offers a unique and magical cooking experience with its color-changing feature and extensive accessory count. If you want a toy that not only entertains but also helps develop fine motor skills and introduces cultural elements, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for curious kids who love interactive and educational play. What people say. This set is beyond cool. It looks realistic, all the fish are able to be removed from the rices, and the color changing or cooked feature with the light is totally cool. It works great and it's a really unique idea. There are 34 pieces of sushi, plates, chopsticks, condiments, and cups. What's particularly impressive about this set is that when you shine the LED light on the surface of the sushi, the color of the food changes, adding to the fun. The materials used are safe and sturdy, made of drop-resistant and easy-to-clean ABS materials that do not contain BPA or harsh chemicals. The sashimi pieces resemble the real thing and are even able to be torched. I love that the blow torch actually blackens the fish. It doesn't stay for very long, but it does work. Number 1. Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table. Introducing the Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table, a fun and durable water table designed for endless outdoor play. It's perfect for little ones who love to explore and imagine. With this engaging water table, children can practice their fine motor skills by catching, collecting, and counting the included floating critters. It's a fantastic way to combine learning with water fun. Watch as the fishbowl fills with water, creating a delightful tipping and splashing surprise. This feature adds an exciting element of anticipation and a big splashy reward. Use the fun launcher to send the adorable critters flying onto the spinning lily pad. This interactive game encourages hand-eye coordination and provides lots of giggles. This water table comes complete with a fishing pole, 5 floating critters, a water cup, and a fishing net. Everything your child needs for immediate water-based adventures is right here. Get this exclusive Amazon version of the Little Tikes Fish and Splash Water Table for your little adventure. It's built for durability and hours of imaginative play. What we like. This water table provides hours of engaging outdoor fun with its fishing game and interactive features. If you're looking for a way to keep your child entertained and cool during warmer months, this is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for little ones who love water play and enjoy simple, active games. What people say. It is sturdy enough that littles can pull up without pulling it over, but light enough to move in or out of his play area even with water in the trough. Lots of fishing, pouring, and splashing activities. Super easy and quick to assemble. It's lightweight enough to move around and store easily. Yet, has already held up to the rough play of 8 and 1-year-olds, which should make it long-lasting. Its ability to function as more than just a water table has been super fun for us too. We have filled it with rice, plastic eggs and sand. The table comes with a fishing pole, 5 water animals, 2 fish, 1 turtle, 1 crab, and 1 frog, a plastic net, and a plastic bowl. Each animal has a different color and a number on it. The fishing pole has a plastic hook on it to catch the critters. There's a plug, so you don't have to tip the entire table over in order to drain it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.